aunties, babies. I'm so hungry. I waited till 5 o'clock to eat. I got busy throughout the day and didn't even realize how late it was. So I made a ham sandwich. That was too much. I put too much on there. Too much spicy mayonnaise. Other than that, it was good. I need to squeeze some of that off. But anyway, I know I hadn't uploaded a YouTube in a while, so I just wanted to stop by. Let you all know I'm still around. I'll be doing more. I'll be doing more videos for my YouTube channel. So see you all there.